Hello, you guys. Hello, you guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Tuesdays in the Attic, where we are playing with old Freaky Fast formulas from the scrap room. We are working on 2018 currently. This Freaky Fast formula is from May of 2018. We got some good cuts. I've got 2 photos of my son cruising in the car on Halloween on the way to the trick-or-treating spot, so it doesn't need to be super Halloween-y, but I figured it'd be fall, sunshine, cruising type vibe is what it's giving me. So I figured I'd use this Echo Park collection that I thought about using last week, or for the last one, but didn't. So we're going to use this because, one, there's lots of good browns in it, and he is Scooby-Doo and wearing brown, so there's a lot of brown in my photo, so my photo should go really well with it. It's Echo Park. I love fall. I've used a few stickers from it, and that's it. So I've got some letter sticker. I've got the alphas. I got some enamel dots. This is all scrap kit. We've got some bits and pieces, so some like frames and some word things. We've got a sticker sheet. We've got paper. We've got cardstock. There's all goodies in here. And the cuts are going to be 10.5 by 10.5, a 6 by 7, a 1.5 by 4, a 3.5 by 7, a 5 by 7.5, and a 2 by 3. So I'm going to get trimming my photos, cutting some papers, and we'll assemble together. Stay tuned. Okay, I've cut all the papers, and I started arranging them, and I think I'm liking what I got. So, where are my measurements? I cut the floral piece in the 6 by 7. I did this piece as the 10.5 by 10.5. This is the 5 by 7.5. No, it's not. This is the 5 by 7.5. No, 6 by 7, 5 by 7.5, 3.5 by 7. 2 by 1.5 by 4, 2 by 3 so far. These 2 pieces I'm stumped on what to do with, so I'm still working that out, but I would like to just have this centered, and then I'm going to use, I think, these stickers to do my title across the bottom here. It was my thought. I really like this jar. I trimmed it really low, or really thin on this card, and I think I'm going to fussy cut it out. So I think we'll work on that. And I'm going to stick that over here. So I might need like a banner or something to put behind it. Yeah, or I'll do this one. These are both the same, so I just got to find something to do with these. So I'm going to start gluing down my photos because I like how that is working out right now. Yeah, and I'm liking this look so far. That's why I thought if I did, or do I do something like put that here? Because those parts of him don't really matter. I mean, doesn't matter really too much. Figure that out. Haven't figured that out yet. This is not bad. It's better if it overlaps the photo. And then just do, I think we'll do it. We're doing it. Can't stop me now. You ever put a word out in letters and then go, is that how you spell it? It just looks funny when you have to sit there and break it down and space the letters out in your head. That's what's happening right now. Pretty sure I have it spelled right. But I will double check, even though I am a good speller. So that's where we're at so far. I'm gonna fussy cut this and then we'll glue more down. Be back. Okay, I think I've fussed around enough that kind of got something going here. And I got some brand new wood veneer color cast designs because I have that kit. I used to get the everything kit, but I have so much stuff that I reduced it down to just the wood veneer because I'm like, you know what? I like wood veneer. I could use more of that. So I'm going to do the wood veneer one. I have that one for just a little bit and I'm going to pause it. Or then I have it paused, I think, already. And then, so I've grabbed some wood veneer. This one says Cozy Vibes, which I thought was perfect. Love this most. And this one just says October. I grabbed a couple stickers. I haven't glued anything down yet. So, faffing gluing. So let's glue, and then we're going to add some of these little leaves from the 2 sticker sheets I have. But, yeah, those are my new color cast designs. Because I've got this sticker sheet from the sticker book, which was part of the, I think, one of the add-ons. And then I have this whole sheet. So I've got all these stickers I can play with as well. So let's get things glued down, shall we? Yeah. I think we'll pop that out. Ah, it's because it's a sticker. Okay, like I said, I forgot I haven't glued any of this down yet. Put little dimension behind this tag, and I need some twine. Ooh. Should hold that down. Should. Keyword. But that looks cute. Enamel dots and some more lifts. Like, I really want this green leaf and yellow leaf up here by this squirrel. Yeah, this little yellow leaf, so it's a little different. There's a lot of red up there, so I'm going to get something a little different up there. There we go. Okay. I really like this one little red leaf by my cruising title, but I kind of think it needs another one. So I'm going to add this green one. Just to add a little interest. Got one acorn, giant acorn there. So let's tuck, we tuck another one over here. And I I think that'll wrap things up. Yeah. There's a lot of cute stickers on here. A lot of cute stickers on here that I would love to use, but I also don't want to overwhelm my page. And right now, I think it's looking pretty good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to add a small line of journaling right here. And that's it. Thank you again. We'll see you next time. Bye.